Welcome to the Voice Atlas Quick Start tutorial. In this video, I'll show you the essentials so you can start building and using your Atlas right away. By the end, you'll be able to log in with your credentials, create your first Atlas, add some content to it, and test it all out by asking questions in the Atlas Playground. Let's get started. Once you've received your login credentials, head to the Voice Atlas website and sign in. When you log in for the first time, your Atlas homepage may appear empty. Before creating anything new, take a moment to check the Shared with Me page. Someone from your organization may have already shared an Atlas with you. This is common when you're helping test responses or contributing and refining sources. If you see an Atlas that has been shared with you, you can open it immediately and start exploring. If nothing's been shared with you yet, or you're ready to explore on your own, creating your first Atlas is simple. Click the pink Create a New Atlas button to get started. It's in the bottom right of the My Atlases page. Give it a title and add a description if you'd like. With your Atlas created, you can open it and begin adding sources. These can include FAQ-style questions and answers, uploaded files, pasted text, or even content automatically pulled in by crawling a website. A great way to begin is with FAQs. Select FAQs from the Add Source menu, then enter a question and its answer. Add as many as you'd like, and click Save when you're done. It's important to remember that FAQ answers provide context, not fixed scripts. The language model will use what you've written, but it may interpret and phrase the response slightly differently each time. If you find that answers need more consistency or precision, the best way to guide them is by strengthening the context, adding more FAQs, or reinforcing sources that clarify intent, tone, and edge cases. You can edit any source by opening it from the Sources panel and updating the text. To delete a source, open it and click Remove. Let's keep this one for now. We're not done testing. Once your Atlas has some content, you can try it out immediately by using the Atlas Playground on the right side of the screen. This is your private testing area. Just type in a question and see how your Atlas responds based entirely on the content you've added. It works like a normal chatbot, but the answers come exclusively from your Atlas. As you continue using your Atlas, you'll discover the Metrics section. Metrics gives you insight into how your Atlas is being used over time. You can view total interactions for the year, daily averages, and activity patterns across months and days of the week, allowing you to identify interaction spikes on specific dates. You'll also find a timeline showing recent conversations, when they were last updated, how many messages they contain, and a preview of the most recent messages. Metrics helps you understand how people are engaging with your Atlas and where it's having impact. Once you're comfortable testing your Atlas, you can take things a step further with apps. The Apps area is where you connect your Atlas to the outside world. Here, you can generate your Voice Atlas API key in just a few steps, allowing you to integrate your Atlas into custom applications. You can also configure Chatless, a standalone, embeddable, white-labeled conversational bot with its own dedicated web experience. You can connect your Atlas to collaboration tools like Slack, or set up a conversational bot for Microsoft Teams. Each app lets your Atlas answer questions using the same trusted content you've already added. And that's it. You're ready to explore, build, and make Voice Atlas your own. Try out new questions, add more sources, explore metrics, experiment with apps, and see how far you can take your Atlas. Remember, the best answers are just one Atlas away.